Heading up to Salem to look at a 1970 Super Bee that's supposed to be a factory pink car, but got orange paint all over the outside of it. The guy that called me and told me about it said he stopped and looked at it, and underneath all of the orange is pink.
Oh, nice.
So, but look, it was an old race car.
Yeah.
Look at the old fuel shut-off switch. Is that what that is? Yeah.
Been tubbed? Well, how long has it been sitting here?
He said it was that it's been sitting out here for a couple months or something, but it was really dirty, and he didn't notice it until somebody washed it.
Oh, somebody washed it all up?
And then all of a sudden the orange, you could see it coming up the road, is what one guy said.
Huh.
Oh, there it is. Look at that. It is.
It's got
Pink all over the floors.
Pink everywhere, yeah.
It's a pink car. I've been looking forever. I can't believe it. That's awesome.
There it is.
It's a good one. You can look for a good Mopar, but try to find a good pink Mopar. Good luck with that. The rod's bent.
You see that? That's limelight.
The scoops.
No, here, look right here. That's limelight. Limelight. Or furious yellow or something, see it?
On the clip. You're trying to bring me down again. Darren is bar none the most annoying man on the planet. Always has been, always will be. You can ask anybody around him, friends, family, people he doesn't even know. Anybody will tell you he's the most annoying man God ever created.
No, I'm not. I just was looking
But
at something.
look at where the fender tag goes. And that fender tag hasn't been gone that long. Look.
It's a real pink car, yes.
Yes, it is. Thank you. It's a real pink car. Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you. Hit subscribe.